Okay, Daddy and Maddie are gonna, woo, ducked under a big one. Come a couple big ones. Oh, Maddie girl. Mama's scared for you. Oy. The Three Musketeers. Three Caballeros. Oh, they go under. They make it look so easy, but seriously, when you're out there in it, it's, at least for Valerie and I, a terrifying experience. The ocean will pick you up, that little curl of the wave, the tube, and just throw you down if you're in the wrong place at the wrong time. But Maddie, she has gotten so fearless in like the last 2 years. Whoa, here comes a couple big uns. There she went. Alright, well, I think they're gonna live, the three of them. Alright, over and out.